Nigeria is breeding, but this is what our leaders are doing. You see, Mami? This is what our leaders are doing. You see, it's all about their interest. As long as the common man is iron, they know send you and I. Do you hear me? Now, get the reason you will pray look at this video. Okay, we got that now. No human being, if any human being. No mmadụ na-eme ibie. Ọ mmadụ bụ na afịa zụrụ and ọ mmadụ bụ na afịa zụrụ. Now, jụọ onwe gị this question. Kedu onye bụ Chief Security Officer of Nigeria? President Tinubu. Enwere issue, political issue, because mara akpa ife issue, no politics ka evaporate na Rivers State. Enwere ife a na-akpọ political issue. Now, Tinubu declare state of emergency in Rivers State. Now, comes to ife na-eme na Northern Nigeria. Buying okwu buying. Buying na-ada agwụ. Have President Tinubu declared state of emergency on those states? On the life of people no about life of Nigerians on those states are very important. This Benue State, this is not the first time this buying has been going on. This is not the first time. How about Plateau State? How about other northern regions in this country? How about West, East? Name them all. Every part of this country is breeding. So nke fa na-adị interest in ya bụ nke afọ that is nke ahụ metụtara fa nke ahụ ha nwere interest in ya, because you and I knows the reason why you will declare state of emergency in Rivers State, because fa na plan ahead na 2027. John onwe kedu ife mere declare ebere state of emergency na Benue State? Have you asked yourself that question? Because na ife ọbụla na-eme ebe ahụ the common man of this country, they know send you and I. Look at a very dark man, a civilian like you and I. Jiri platform and create the awareness what is going on. Because someone created that awareness, so many of them will not say anything. After maybe as na Pope, the new Pope, sine ekpele ka aya na ekpele ndị bai. Nwanne m na-ege m ntị. Onwere obodo nọ na this planet Earth m na-aga na-abụ n'ụka Nigeria ekpe ekpele. Onwere, we fast, we pray. We even host crusade all night, casting and binding. And some of whom were catching no ekpele ga-solve m na-aga na-abụ problem of this country. Onwe problem ekpele nwere ike solve you and I. O dobere ganya na the crisis and the agony and pain began at this country, but man-made, and all human beings got resolved where each and every stop insecurity in Nigeria. Could you take the measures I need to take to stop all this crisis? You don't know the reason why. Every day I need you quick on a newspaper. Which are to acting towards the Fulani. Not until all Nigerian youth rise up and start facing our politicians squarely, we will never have peace in this country. Because if these people now put a in the Benue, in the Plateau, all the part of Kogi or every part of this country, all these people where they buy people, they are human beings, they no be ghosts. But because of his politicized, that is why a lot of leaders in this country are not saying anything. Ndị ojii ga na-afụ problem ha ga-solve a na-agba n'okirikiri. Human being ga-solve a na-agba n'okirikiri. Enwere ike aba chapere gowara oziri mebe fasting and prayer ka ị wee solve insecurity with ndị na-abịa with sophisticated weapon to ịkpa anyị that is ime ihe a na-akpọ ethnic cleansing or genocide. Then this man akịta, this barrister ị na-afụ am reason ji tinye ebe a, ị na-afụ ya advocating, ị na-afụ ife ọ na-eme demonstrating here because of the genocide that is going on in northern Nigeria. Look at the very dark man, governor of that state Ghana there. Kedu ife ọ na-eme? Chief security officer of the state apụta sị gị my hands are tied because na ọbụla nwa ya ka egburu. Ị na-agwa m that na onwe any politician na-adị involve a na-akpa anyị na process of this Fulani issue na-aga na Nigeria. Ị na-agwa m that na ọ bụ na o nwere nwa politician dị golo involve na ya na ndị ebere sit up to end all this insecurity issue. The reason why, because no more found on Nigeria. That is why everywhere is messed up. Because ọ bụ na anyị ncha niile na-face the challenge. Ndị na-achị mụ na gị na-abụ gara art go towards how to stop this mess mụ na gị na-abụ nọ na ya. Onye dịka Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, the first man, onye na-anụ every corner or information niile na-eme na this content. He shall no man stop insecurity. But what is holding him to even say something like that na feel ezigbo alụ? Do you understand me? To even say something, to even condemn, or even fry and go there, ihe niile a na-eme bụ problem. Mana o mee ihe dị ka na abroad, fa condemn mụọ ya, fa fry ya sef jee that place. Kenekwe m unu, but let us keep on hoping. No fasting and prayer like Pope na-ekwu na other crazy men in Nigeria na-agwa mụ na gị na-abụ. No fasting and prayer, we will resolve the issue. Na Nigeria. Let her see how it ends. Until you don't want state to wipe off out, mobile one ethnic group wipe off out because of if that Ebana be upon the mother or Kuni a busy fana born of a future name ethnic cleansing and genocide. I'm with the leaders.